Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So today's topic is women empowerment. So women empowerment is increases more and more in the past time. So in past time the meaning of empowerment, and now we empower means we give a power any persons for choose their decisions and capability of choosing anything for independent. Then in that topic we talk about women's empowerment. In past time, women has a much foundation about everything. Like they don't do any decision from his own self. They depend on others, like their families, their brother and their husband, and after when she old, then they depend on their sons. So in past time, women's wear many husbands from these things. So in that case, in past time, women thought that the life of women is filled from more struggles than a boy life. So they thought that girls and women are burden from on their parents and for their families. That's why every people thought that girls are burden on their fathers and their families. That time when girls are born in any house, that they all are shocked and also get much trouble. They thought that they have a burden of much things. That's why all peoples are thought that if girls are born in our house, then what we do, and if boys, then they planned after that we get married. And there's a marriage. So pupils thought that this is not good for our societies. Girls are born. When any girl getting married, after they get widow, then they burn alive from their husbands. You know about this ritual. Because when somebody's husband is died, then women are burned with them, because this is a ritual, and this ritual means 19th century. But now this is banned. So that time girls are there's a compulsion to burn with their husbands. So I said that if somebody's husband is died, then their life is not died. Their life is carry on. We can't say that woman's life is going on, then their husband is alive. After that, after she has also their own life. So, but 19th century, this things is not is not was not happened. They thought that after husbands died, then woman life is destroyed. So they burn them from them. That's why many girls are burned with their husbands in many years ago. But not now. This ritual is not happened. And also, when some girl born, then they depend upon their father and their husband, and also in when she old, they depend on their son. But mostly cases, sons are busy after getting married. They involve they separate their lives from their mothers, women, and from everyone. So this case is matter with women's. That's why women's life is creating very much difficult. and also much cases women don't get equality. Not now, not now. So many years ago, women don't have a place in politics. But now, girls has a more places than boys in every places. You hear that in past time, women not allowed for their not allowed for jobs and don't go outside for study, and girls are not allowed for go outside means abroad and any other city for study. And also this case is happening now. Many places where the people are not much educated, they thought that if we send our girl outside, then she does anything bad, and also she girls has not much patience. They thought that, I can't say that, but people said, and also thought many people if we set our daughter outside, then something wrong with her. But these things are improved from today. Nowadays, the government gives a lot of things, lot of powers to women, also girls. They give helpline numbers and many types of things like services in near areas when they get a good service in a some time. So in that cases, girls have a much get a much power, but not more than boys. According to me, if you know you also lived in your homes at that time, you have a brother, then your brother has a much facilities than you. This thing is right according to me. Means if your brother can't study well, he don't study well, but you study well. If your parents give a opportunity to go outside for study, then first they gave a opportunity to your brother, not you. This thing is happening. I saw many times in many places. In the president of our India, Draupadi Murmu, they also said about many things. They said that she said that if we gave wings to our daughters, then they flies more than boys. She said about that quotations. If we give wings our daughters, our girls, and also husband gives some opportunity to their wives, then girls did much better than boys. That thing is right nowadays, because you also know the result of now's UP board. Mostly girls are came in top in straight. Mostly girls. Also, in near my house, Lady Dawn is lived. Uh, I I said that she is not Dawn, but she did right. Whatever she did, she is right, because when she married, that time she is innocent. Everyone said that she is innocent, but when his husband drinks the wine and makes a consume liquor man, then she did. Then she closed the door and beat him more. Also, her husband. This is right, because I saw many times she did so. If he abused her, then she also abused him. Many times I thought that she is wrong, but when I discussed to my grandfather, then I realized that she is right. Because if he gave me my grandfather gave me an example of me. If somebody beat you in any type, any, and you also did a lot of works, then you wear the where the crime of that person? And I said no. Then he said that then she is right. She lived mostly 17 years ago near me, but my neighbors thought that she is wrong. But she is right. If somebody did so, then we fight against our thinking, and also many pupils thought girls are independent. If we make girls independent, then she did much better than everyone. And we all know about Rani Lakshmibai. She is a freedom fighter. So she fight with the English pupils who who slavered our India, and she fight against them. So if we gave girls empowerment more than boys, we can't say that than boys, but we fight for equality. Many places where ultrasound about baby's gender. So that things government banned, but this thing is carried on. Pupils want to know baby is grown in anywhere is a girl or boy from beginning. So that's it.
Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Today I am telling you about the importance of a woman's education. Do you know that the education is very important for a woman? If a woman is educated, then she do everything in his life. She never depend on any other person. You feel one thing in your life that if you go on shop, that person know your father, and he said to you, you are the daughter of that person. After getting married, the people said that you are the wife of that person, and when you become old, at that time the people said that you are the mother of that person. What's your own identity? You don't make your own identity. If you are educated and you do any job, not a big job, but if you do any small job and you fulfill your own fulfill your own needs, that time every person give you a respect. He said that woman is not depend on any other one. She fulfill his dreams by doing the job, and she do a lot of hard work in his life. Do you know that your father planned a lot of things because of your marriage? Because every father thinks that if when my daughter is young, then his marriage has happened. So he collect a lot of things. If many person think that if you said that I don't want to marry now, then he said that what happened, what to do what to do you in your future. Then you said that I want to do job. At that time he said that if you do job and after marriage your husband is already earn money, then what is the problem in getting married? There is no use of your education, because you also make their only food, and your life is finished in kitchen, only in kitchen. That if they don't think that if his daughter is educated and she do a job, at that time if that person think that I don't want to live with her, and he left you. At that time no one stand with you. properly. But if you don't know about the world and about the pupils, then how can you live properly in this world? Because their pupils all are good or bad both. Many people think that if a girl's husband he left him, then they think that she is not right, that woman is not right, that's why he leave him. And they don't think that it's not his fault. The person with whom she marries, the faults of his, because he don't want to live with him. And if your family force you and you don't happy at that time, that thing is wrong. Because first you fulfill your dream, after that you do this. If you are capable, then you do everything in your life. And if you are financially strong, then at that time you never depend on anyone. If you are not capable, and every person think that you don't do anything, you only prepare the food, and they taunt you that you know that how can we earn money, how can we do hard work. I don't say that the housewife is not doing hard work, but this job is a thankless job. I think that this job is thankless, because no one understand that you do a lot of hard work in whole day. They think that only they do a hard work. But if you earn money and you never you if you earn money and you do anything yourself, then they understand you, and then they think that yeah, she is doing a lot of hard work. I think that's all.